Ranger Delmar.
Ranger Kara.
Ranger Drew.
The mayor.
Hey, giggles. The Reading Rangers.
Well, it's not that I have no comment. It's that I just don't care.
Miss Mayor, everybody's complaining about the puddles.
Oh, boo-hoo. Everyone hates a rainy day.
Well, I tripped and fell and got my bad guy uniform all wet and hurt my arm.
Well, I was gonna use city money to fix them, but then I used all the money from my own private library.
Well, the townspeople are going to be mighty upset. They will remember this during the next election.
Let them eat cake.
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 Sure was nice of the mayor to send us this cake.
I guess. But it doesn't solve the puddle problem. Why doesn't the mayor fix it? People are getting hurt.
It's a travesty. Ugh.
Hey, Cookie, how come you aren't having any cake?
I don't want the mayor's empty promises and empty calories. I'm gonna give the people a cake from someone who really cares about them. Me! I got a brand new fandangled recipe for sponge cake. Woo! But there is a couple words in here I don't recognize, like leavening, meringue, and ganache.
Well, Cookie, when you see a word you don't understand, it's kind of like a puddle.
You're tripping it and you get wet?
No, you go around it and fix it later.
Oh, well, if I know cooking like I know cooking, then you can't skip any steps.
Well, you're not. You're just going forward, doing the research, and then coming back to it.
Well, all right.
Caution puddles.
Well, this cake is real spongy. I told you I should have followed the recipe.
What? Didn't you look up the words you didn't know?
Well, of course I did, but the cake was already in the oven. It was too late.
What happened to you, Miss Mayor?
Skiing accident.
Well, it's the middle of the summer.
All right, it was the puddles. Even I got hurt by one of them.
Well, then why don't you fix them?
I can't. I already spent all the town's money on books for my private library.
Miss Mayor.
You know, you should have a piece of my spongy cake. It's what you deserve.
You made a cake out of a sponge? Why?
Well, I didn't mean to. It just sort of turned out that way.
Can you make more of these cakes?
Certainly, but why? You can't really eat them.
To fix the puddle problem.
How?
It's a sponge. It'll soak up the puddles.
Well, hold on. Will you donate the books to the town if we help you?
Fine. Get cooking.
Gotta make some sponge cakes. Yee! Orange juice, all kinds of